Hey, ever wondered how scientists keep an eye on volcanoes, even when they're on the other side of the world? Well, the answer is satellites. Those high-tech eyes way up in space. So let's dive in. How do satellites actually spy on volcanoes? First off, there are a few types of satellites specifically designed for this job. The big players are NASA's Terra and Aqua satellites, the European Space Agency's Sentinel series, and a bunch of others like Landsat and Suomi NPP. These aren't your average satellites. They've got some pretty insane tech packed inside. Take Terra and Aqua, for example. They use a sensor called MODIS. This thing can pick up heat signatures from volcanic eruptions, even through thick clouds. Imagine a volcano blowing its top. The MODIS sensor sees that heat and flags it for scientists down here on Earth. Then, you've got satellites like Sentinel-2. This one's more about getting sharp images of the surface in different colors, even ones our eyes can't see. When a volcano erupts, Sentinel-2 spots new lava flows, ash plumes, and changes to the landscape. It's like having a front row seat to the action without ever leaving your house. There's also the Sentinel-1 satellite, which is a game changer because it uses radar. And that means it can see through clouds and even at night. Scientists use Sentinel-1 to track the ground swelling up before an eruption or sinking afterward, kind of like watching a volcano breathe. Now, you might be thinking, why not just use ground sensors? Good question. Satellites cover the whole planet, including those super remote volcanoes nobody wants to hike to. And they can watch for changes like rising temperatures or shifting ground way before things turn dangerous. But it's not just about spotting eruptions. Satellites help track ash clouds, which is crucial for airlines and people living nearby. They also help predict future eruptions by constantly monitoring changes in gas emissions, ground movement, and temperature. All this data gets sent back to scientists who use it to issue warnings, study volcano behavior, and honestly, just learn more about how our crazy planet works. So next time you see a story about a volcanic eruption on the news, remember, there's probably a satellite up there that saw it first. Thanks to these space spies, we're safer and smarter about volcanoes than ever before. If you're into science or just love cool tech, keep an eye on the sky. There's a lot going on up there.